So today I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step of how I've been able to make these figures last week and how others are using this particular WhatsApp to make something like this and like this and like this. So you have to stay to the end of this video to find it out. All right, let's go. What you have to do is to come to your Chrome browser and search about stakecourt.com. Okay, this is the interface. All right, then you click on claim free accounts. Okay, once you click on claim free account, you input your details. All right, you input all your details here, you fill in the details and you sign up. But I already have an account with them, so I'm not going to be doing that. I'll only click on sign in. Okay, so after you already sign in, the first thing you want to do first, okay, is to come here and click here. Once you click there, you'll be able to, then you go to settings. All right, you scroll up like this, you go to settings. Once you click on settings, all right, this is just my personal information, and this is where you input your bank details. Let me say I wanted to see, this is where you input your bank details. Let's say I wanted to edit this. Okay, you can choose any bank. See the whole lot of bank in here that you can pick from or you can choose from. So this shows that it works across the world. You can use this platform to sell anything, no matter what you do, no matter where you are, okay, in the world. So but because I already input my bank account, I'm not going to be doing that, so I'll go back. Then after you fill in your bank details, you come back here again. Okay, come back here again, you fill in your bank details. Then the next thing for you to do is to come to the marketplace. Come to the marketplace. The marketplace is where you see digital products that you can sell for other people. All right, so these are digital products. This is where you will, this is the names of those digital products. Then from there you know what they do. For example, this particular product, okay, this one that says the Niger to Canada Japa system, this particular product teaches people how to relocate to Canada. Okay, so let's say I wanted, and the product is sold for 83.5, that's the price, and you get 50% in commission. All right, so all you have to do if you want to start promoting this particular product is to click on promote. Okay, you click on promote. Once you click on promote, then you come here and you click on copy your affiliate link. So I already copied my affiliate link. Then the next thing for you to do is to go to the rebrand.ly, search for rebrand.ly. This is rebrand.ly. I wanted to go and shorten my affiliate link, so you paste the long link there. So after pasting the long link, then you click on shortened. Okay, you click on shortened. All right, I'm coming. It has already shortened, so you click on shortened. Then you come here. All right, let me zoom it so that, sorry, so I want to zoom it so that you will see it very well. Then you come here, then you copy your affiliate link. After you've already copied your affiliate link, this is actually the link you'll be sending to whoever that needed the product or that wanted to buy that product. So for you to be able to see who needs the product and how you can sell this product, you have to go to the product sales page. And how do you do that? It's through your affiliate link, which you already copied. So all you have to do is to paste your affiliate link on your Chrome browser again and search. So everything about that product, you will see it on that page. Who needs them, how you can reach out to them, and how you can sell to them is on that page. You just need to go through it. Take your time. You see, take your time, make your personal research. All right, make your personal research, take your time. See, these are people that have already used the blueprint and it's already working for them. So this is actually a very good product you can sell. All right, even though you are not outside Nigeria right now, okay, you can simply sell this product. Okay, you can simply sell this product, and then once you sell this product, you earn 50% commission. So let's go and make a simple mathematics. Okay, so the product is 83.5 divided by 2, which means you earn $41.75 per one. Let's now imagine that you sell just 10 of these products in a month. That is 417 417.5, okay, dollars, multiplied by the current rate of dollars right now. Let's say 750. Okay, so that's over 300k you made in a month. Let's now imagine you sell more than 10 products, okay, more than 10 of these products in a month. You know how much you are going to be making. All right, so that's exactly how you are going to be making your money consistently online. So if you love this content, I want you to follow this account for more content like this. And if you want me to teach you exactly how you are going to be able to do that, all right, all you have to do is to comment "I'm interested, coach," so that I will get to know you and guide you properly under this post. Then the next thing for you to do, okay, is to use the link in my bio to send me a direct message, and I'll see you there and show you everything you needed to know. See you at the other side. Bye.